Step 3, clone the starter world. So again, we've got this big button suggesting this is what we need to click next. So if we click this, it loads up what's called the home page for the world. So if you click on the image, the world runs. If you click on its home page, there's a series of actions that you can take. Now, we can see here that edit, for example, is grayed out. And the reason edit is grayed out is because you don't own this. I'm logged in here as test2, but it's owned by starter user. So that's not me. So I can't edit it. You can't edit other people's programs on the site. What you can do, however, is make a copy of them. You can look at their code even before you make a copy of them. But you can make a copy of them and then you can change the code and you get your own version. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So our next step, now that we're logged in, is to clone this. Then it says world cloned and you now own a clone copy. We'll click OK and we'll go to the page, which is our clone. And now we'll see edit is on. I can click the editor. So I've cloned this. Have I broken it somehow? Because now this is my version. Maybe it's my version, it doesn't run. So let's just check. Everything's fine. It runs, this is the clone running, and the cube is rotating.